Hello everyone. This model question is related with scheduled tribe population in India, and this question is made on the basis of the 2011 census. Okay, so based on the data provided under this 2011 census, the top 5 states or union territories having the more amount of or more number of scheduled tribe population, they are first one the Lakshadweep, right? The Lakshadweep, for its strategical reasons, for being away from the mainland and all, it's having 94.8% of scheduled tribe population. Okay, and which is followed by Mizoram having 94 to 4%, almost very close by, right? And then it's followed by Nagaland, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is having around 68.8% of scheduled tribe population. Then let's see the bottom 5 states or union territories having the scheduled tribe population, right? Starting with the Uttar Pradesh 0.6% and Tamil Nadu 1.1%, Bihar 1.3%, Kerala 1.5% and Uttarakhand 2.9%, right? So the top 5 states on the basis of scheduled tribe population in India are Lakshadweep, Mizoram, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, and the bottom 5 states are Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Kerala and Uttarakhand. Now let's go through the question. According to 2011 census, which one of the following Indian states has the highest percentage of scheduled tribe population to its total population? The question is regarding the percentage of the scheduled tribe population. They are not asking you the number or the population of scheduled tribe, rather than the percentage of the scheduled tribe to that of the total population, right? That's exactly what is given in this list. Like, the Lakshadweep is having 94.8% of population, and followed by the Mizoram having 94.4% of their population is actually scheduled tribe, right? So here among the options you can find Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Mizoram and Uttarakhand, right? So among the options the answer comes out as C, which is Mizoram.